Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the suspension control module on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The suspension control module, which fuses, relays we need to check. Guys, there is one thing. Most people assume that the fuses are under the hood where the main engine fuse box is located. Right here when you face the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, this is the fuse box. Open the cover, that's what it looks like. But for a big surprise, it's not here. It's actually inside. Where? Well, guys, on the driver's side. We see your steering wheel on the left side underneath. You have a hidden fuse box. You need to remove the panel. And you have some relays, but you have many hidden relays on the back side. We have a special video if you want to see how to remove that panel here, how to access all hidden fuses and relays on the channel. It's called VW Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, first we need to start checking two fuses. We'll be working at first in that little bitty fuse box right here. And the first fuse guys that we need to check, the fuse numbers will be listed right under the row of fuses, will be fuse number 14. We're talking about this one right here. Next we need to check the big fuses. If you have the active suspension, you have a fuse and that fuse will be 56 right here. The number will be right above the fuse, printed right there. That will be fuse number 56. You don't have relays, you have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.